Everything is so cool here. Look at this tree. I'm gonna get on this tree. I should probably go find my mama. Whee! You guys here? Oh, this bird is so cool. And this one. Ooh, didn't know ducks were that big. Oh no, I can't touch that. Wait a second. There's a giant nest where my mama laid me. What is that? Help me! Help! What's in here? See where my mama laid me? She did. I'm gonna go to sleep. Actually, I'm too bored. I'm just gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna call my mama. Mama, where are you? Mama? I should probably try to eat stuff so I can grow every day. Guess I need to live by myself. There's a thing over there. Oh, I wish I was like that bird over there that's flying. Ooh. 1 hour later. It's so freezing here. I think I should have walked here. But I'm actually starting to grow really big. Like my skin colors, my feather, like my fur is starting to become different color. I need to be quickly before my nails like sharpen it and like crack the thing. Come on. Get up. Get up. Okay, I'm up. Ooh. This can be a good shelter, but I think I should walk somewhere else. 1 hour later. Whoa, I literally walked out of nowhere and there's this really cool bird. Wanna be my friend? Be my friend? He's just jumping with me. Oh, ran away. So I'm back where I was, but is this my mama? Mama! I'm with my mama. I'm a little hummingbird. Wait, is this even my mama? She's not even the same color as me. I'm gray and she's like turning all black. Her eyes are red. I don't think this is my mama. I should probably go somewhere like a zoo or something. 5 hours later. Whoa, I'm in a zoo. Whoa. Let's open this. What's in here? Ooh. That almost hit me, but whoa. I can't get in. I'll just get in next time. When I get older. This place is so cool. Whee! I'm running so fast. What is this? Ooh. Oh. Okay, no, that actually almost hit me. I'm so fast. Where should I go? Look how cool that is. I should probably find some food. Hold on. I should probably live here. Yay! 10 years later. Whoa! I'm grown now. I'm a grown up. I just aged 1 and now I'm a grown up. I can live now. I can fly. Let's get inside. Whoa. Oh, I can't get in there. Help me. Okay, I escaped. I can finally go in this pool. I've been wanting to go here for so long, and I can explore. I can fly. This is so cool. I can explore everywhere I want. I think I should probably go in here. Oh, let's open this. Be careful not to get hit. Whoa. This is so cool. I need to pollinate. I'm hungry. Oh, there's a flower right here. Let me just eat. Eat. Just give me food from the pollinate. My back is kind of itchy. Let me just scratch my back. Okay. I can explore anywhere I want. I kind of want to go to the desert. Or actually, I want to find something new. 5 hours later. Whoa. This place is so cool. Look at everything here. Whoa. Okay, so, I'm literally flying. Is there food here? I think there's food. Let's open this. Is there food anywhere? That isn't food. Whoa, this bird is so cool. I'm gonna just go somewhere. Is there food anywhere? I don't even know where to eat. I think I'm just gonna get inside of this cage. I wanna kind of go somewhere else. Let's go over here. Ooh. Definitely can't go in there. What's up here? I'm super hungry. I need to find something to eat. I guess I need to risk it to find fish. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. That was close. There's no fish there. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! What's in here? Ooh. I can finally eat, but it's kind of disgusting. Woohoo! There's really nothing but just rats. Let me get inside. Hold on, open. Ooh. It's even for birds. This looks so cool. What was that sound? Okay. Whoa. I think I should probably sleep here. Let me just sleep. 24 hours later. Just need to stretch. I actually really need to eat. I'm super hungry. Hold on. In forest, there's a lot of things to eat. I think I should probably go to the forest. But that'll take forever. Let's just see how long it is. 5 hours later. Oh, finally, I'm in the... Whoa. Speaking of forest, this eagle is so cool. Wait, I was already in the There's so butterflies, but I want to eat a fish or something. Yo, what's happening? I just caught a fish. It's a jackpot. Why am I pressing everything? Come on. Oh no, I'm about to drown. I'm about to die.